Hi, it's Jill from Simply Organized. You may have noticed my office looks a little different. I'm kind of outside. I'm in Florida. It's February 2019. If you've watched me for a while, I'm usually in my office with blue walls. But my sister retired down to Florida from Wisconsin more than 10 years ago, and I try to get here. All I need to do is buy a plane ticket. I'm so lucky, but I try to get here every February or March for a week or two. So that's where I am, and I am loving it, especially considering all the snow and cold wind ice we've had this year in Wisconsin. This month, I'm going to talk about what to do with the stuff you no longer want. I had a question about this, and I get lots of questions about this from clients and followers. What do you do with that stuff that you no longer want? The stuff that isn't trash, that isn't recycling. Here's my suggestion. Make it as easy as possible, especially if you have a lot of stuff to get rid of. You're trying to declutter as much as possible, downsize big time. Choose one charity that's close to you, easy to get to, easy to drop off, and take it there, or a charity in your area that offers free pickup. In my area, St. Vincent's is one of those charities that will pick up your stuff for free. Even if you just have a couple bags of things, they will pick it up for free. Call and schedule an appointment. So they'll take things that are working, things that are clean, that are usable. They will also recycle some things, and just call or check out their website to find out ahead of time so you don't waste a trip. But they will take things like Goodwill will, in my area, will take things like your computers that are no longer working and any computer parts, printers, scanners, and they will recycle those. It's awesome. Cords, even different type of electronic cords, cable cords, they will accept those also in my area. Check it out in your area first so you don't waste a trip. In fact, my Goodwill accepts Christmas tree lights that are no longer working, and they recycle them. Awesome. So much good that these organizations do, that they can give your stuff a second life or recycle it for you if your city does not recycle it. So my point for this month is, when you're letting go of stuff, make it as easy as possible, just picking one charity, not worrying about, what is the absolute best charity, who does the most good. Make it super easy. Then when you're done with the major downsizing, you just have a bag every so often, take it to, your absolute favorite charity that is supporting a cause you truly believe in. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.